Hi friends! Today we're going to prepare a simple homemade roasted tomato salsa using an air fryer. This recipe comes from Luz's kitchen, and it's one of our favorite salsas because of its bold flavor and the wonderful aroma of fresh cilantro. It's a fresh, vibrant salsa that we use almost every day in our home. For this recipe you will need Roma tomatoes, Anaheim peppers, white onion, garlic, fresh cilantro, apple cider vinegar, and salt. These simple ingredients come together to create a salsa with a lot of character. Start by washing the tomatoes and the Anaheim peppers. Place them in the air fryer basket. Set the air fryer to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius. Cook them for about 25 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, turn the tomatoes and peppers so they roast evenly. This roasting step gives the salsa a deeper flavor. Once the tomatoes and peppers are roasted, allow them to cool slightly. You will notice that the skins loosen and can be removed easily. Remove the skins from both the tomatoes and the peppers. Next, lightly blend the roasted tomatoes. You can use a blender or a stick blender. If the mixture becomes too thick, simply add a small amount of hot boiled water. Now chop the roasted peppers into small pieces. Remove the seeds if you prefer a milder flavor. In a bowl, combine the blended tomatoes with the chopped peppers. Add the finely chopped onion, the minced garlic, and the fresh cilantro. Then add the apple cider vinegar and salt to taste. Mix everything gently. At this point, the kitchen will already smell amazing. Transfer the salsa to a glass jar with a lid and allow it to cool before placing it in the refrigerator. This homemade salsa can last up to 3 weeks when stored properly in the fridge. This salsa has a lot of character. We use it almost every day in our kitchen. It's perfect with breakfast eggs, especially huevos rancheros, with a cup of hot coffee. And it's also wonderful with crispy chicken flautas, topped with crema and served with a refreshing drink. If you enjoy simple homemade recipes like this one, subscribe to this Smart Kitchen channel for more traditional home cooking.